moment you walk into Apex, you'll see that we're different. We have makes and models from all brands. We're not just a franchise. We're personally involved in what goes on at this dealership. Everything we offer trickles down from the quality of our vehicles, the quality of our service contracts, our maintenance programs, our C-Legit application to protect your car's finish, to our wide array of financing options, our certified pre-owned vehicles, and our overall high standards when it comes to reconditioning and safety.
At Apex, we're a family-oriented company, and before anything, our customer means everything to us. From the moment that you bring in your vehicle for service,
we strive to meet or beat our customer expectations.
We offer something very special,
including comprehensive maintenance and repair services. Whether it's a simple oil change, major service, or regular maintenance, down the road you can expect the same level of personalized service that brought you to Apex in the first place.
You know, as a customer, you definitely feel that pressure when you're about to make a big purchase, like a vehicle. And we wanted to make sure we were going somewhere where we weren't going to walk out questioning what we bought. It was awesome that they let us bring our dog with us and, you know, be kind of part of the experience. They were super open and friendly. I really got that feel that they were interested in everything I was interested in, not just, you know, their bottom line.
We're a small, family-run business, and that's how we treat our customers. We want to be treated the same way they want to be treated. So we extend them that courtesy from the word go.